What's going on, guys? And today we're going to be replacing a little decorative piece which is I ordered from China, actually from the eBay, but apparently it's from China. It's for E90. Particular car is 2008 335xi. It was missing since I purchased it and I decided to actually buy it. I'm gonna get you a link in the description below what is the piece and where to get it, as well as we have some weird tool which is supposedly help us to install all this stuff, but apparently I'm gonna remove it and we'll check it out how to install it easiest way. To remove the actual trim, you just need the plastic tool. The two knobs located on the side, on the right and on the left side. Have to open the door, and the same way just get underneath and try to lower it. So you don't really have to be gentle with that piece. Make sure the edge is not gonna you're not gonna crack the edge in there. It also kind of easy to do it, but as far as you working with a proper tool, which is the plastic, everything should be just fine. So it's sitting pretty tough in there, and as you can see there is two metal knobs here. One is on the right side, one is on the left side, and we have metal clamps. The left one is metal one, the right one is just a blue plastic piece. So I've been playing a lot, and to manage to fix it I did some of the steps and procedures. So for right now I'm just gonna show you quickly what to do to install the actual piece here. So first we gotta undo the actual piece from the trim piece, and we start from the sides, then we go from the top, a couple clamps, and then the actual bottom. And just kind of a little complicated, but nothing crazy. One and two, and it just slides out from that side. So make sure you're not gonna be priming too bad, because you might gonna damage the actual piece. The next step is gonna be remove the actual elbow here, which is simply pull it out. Just also be careful with that piece. The next step going to be separate these two pieces, which is as well, we're starting from the side. Actually, let's start from the top. So we gotta pry it a little bit. Sorry for the light. Okay. And then we got three knobs at the bottom. So you gotta push them in, and you gotta hold the finger in there, not let them get themselves back. And you have to press it pretty firmly, actually. Okay, as you can see, we're almost done. So we got that piece out. Next step is going to be the actual the top piece, the actual wings here. We have two clips here and two clips on the other side. Just gently insert the prime tool from any of the sides here. Just try to pry it out and just hold the fingers. Make sure you're not gonna push too hard on the wings, because you might break them. And then the next step is going to be to separate or to install the actual end piece, which we are. Then we can go to the bottom portion. We can slide it in the one side, hold it with a hand, and press it in the other side. So now it's sliding. Then we go to the reversing position, procedure. What I'm doing, I'm sticking the finger on the wings in there and just trying to insert the actual piece. From that step, you're just going to slide one piece in with the little knobs here, like you're seeing right now, and hold a little bit and push it in the other side. So as far as that's sitting firmly, just test it out. everything just worked fine. Then we go to the top piece, which is the decorative plate and alignment, which I'm doing. I'm gonna start it from the top, put it in, and then make sure everything's aligned at the bottom. So the bottom piece and visible piece going in the middle of those knobs here, and just loud clicking noise here. Then we also have one little clamp here, and as you can see, you just gotta be pretty precise to align everything here. So everything looks like, make sure it will work just fine. So we're gonna attach this way, gonna close and open the extra back door, so everything just working fine as far as I can see. Now it's going to be the last step, which is we're gonna install the trim piece, and going from the back, slide the actual left side first. Then we have a little notch here, which is gonna help us align everything. Then press the two corner knobs. Actually, you probably have misalignment there. Then make sure the actual clamp just got in. All good. Pressed everything in. Everything's in just fine. I cannot remove it. Trying to pray it now. The moment of truth. We simply slide it in, push it in. The actual panel all the way. Just make sure it's pretty snug, and that's it. Sounds like everything moving just fine. I'm not gonna be putting like too much pressure on it, but apparently we'll fix the issue. We got an extra piece, but it is what it is. So if you like the video, please put the thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel here or there, and see you in the next one.